Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 132, Calculus with Applications, Section 12.4, Problem 14. This is Section 12.4, Problem number 14. We have the function f of x equals 5 to the x plus 1 power, and we need to take the derivative. So this function is in the form f of x equals a to some stuff where a is any number. It doesn't have to be e. E, again, is just a specific number. All the previous problems had an e in it. It's 2.72 approximately with some round off. A could be anything. Could be 12, in this case 5. So the derivative f prime of x is almost the same as it was for an e, except you're going to have natural log of a times stuff prime times a to some stuff. So that's what we're going to fill in. So in this particular problem, the a, or base, is 5, and the stuff is x plus 1. So f prime of x equals, the natural log of a will be the natural log of 5. And then stuff prime. Well, the stuff is x plus 1, so stuff prime is really just 1. The first piece, the 1x to the first, has a derivative of 1. Again, when you have an x to the first, the derivative is whatever the number in front of the x is. And there's no number written, but it's assumed to be 1. So there's our 1. The plus 1 on the end has no x in it, so its derivative is 0. So the stuff prime is just 1, and then a to the stuff. So my a in this case is 5, so I'll have 5 to the x plus 1. And because part of it is times 1, if you want, you can write it without the 1 just to simplify it a little bit. We would have natural log of 5 times 1 is still just natural log of 5 times 5 to the x plus 1. Now, natural log of 5 has some decimal value that you can figure out with your calculator, but most math books would just have you leave it natural log 5. So the final answer is f prime of x equals natural log of 5 times 5 to the x plus 1 power.